Okay guys, we are in the bank now to checking my checking account. Okay, so let's go. That's all I can do this vlog because it's raining. We cannot give you some tips, but I have tips from you because I have a different checking accounts. That's my style. Every time I take my salary, so let's do this first in TD Bank. Okay, TD Bank. So checking my updates at my savings account, checkings account. How much I have this bank, so it's better one by one because I'm curious. I'll be back here tomorrow. Some important matters. As you can see at 4th Street, Calgary, Canada, I mean to say, sorry, Canada, Saskatchewan. It's raining, okay? It's, see the vehicle, it's clean. No need car wash, so it's slow now. Here, McDonald's, the downtown, okay? We're going back to the other bank. Okay, immediately checking. That's only I tip to you. If you get a salary, you can divide into the 5, to the 4, to the 3, to 1. Not one, because I'm not satisfied in one only. We need some backgrounds. If it's raining, just to update my checking accounts. Because I'm not a type saving only in one bank due to, it's like going into the war. You need some magazine. So wherever you are, just in case you finish the 2 magazine, you have 3 more or 2 more or 5 more or 2 more. You know what I mean? That's the best thing you can do. Tips for now, because it's raining. That's the most tips I give to you. We are in that apartment of my co-workers. So we are in downtown, okay? We have 4 more banks to go before go home just to finish this vlog, okay? It's not to say I have lots of money in my bank. Just only I need I have always updating. I have a cash money in my bank, in my vehicle always, just in case of emergency. So I told you, not only in the bank, but not totally big money. Just have a money in case of emergency. You know what I mean? Or the problem in the machine. So that's it. That's my style and strategy. not only one bank, even there's an interest charge or monthly charge, I don't care. As long my money is safe, you know what I mean? And they give me updates, I use anywhere, no need cash, debit or checking, you know what I mean? You can in cash as long as you want, you fund in your account. So for me, even my co-workers before, they tell me why you have lots of bank. What about the charging? No problem. The important, my money is safe. You know what I mean? My money is safe. That's the real talk. See, no one is here. Oh, you cannot go to the other bank at the Scotia because no way to go in. No, see, that's we are in a no way. Oh, it's a long walk to go there. See, that's in Port Street, Canada, Saskatchewan. That's what all I can do is checking around. Checking around. That's the Gino's restaurant. There's another big renovation last year. They finished now the brick wall sidewalk. I mean, it's a brick wall style. See? Money was able to use focusing on one bank. Focusing one bank sometimes reputation. So that's the important. You know, the balance. Either pay for a small amount. That's the updates, how much they left your money in one bank. Glossy. Nice. No one is here in 4th Street because it's raining. I don't know what time we finish this rain. 2 more months before we go home, near in the house. You can walk in if you want, but because it's raining, no need. Just to finish this vlog for now about tips how to do your money. These are only my tips that I give to you. Okay. See? Nice. Brick style. Unlike before, it's more sidewalking. Sidewalk. Okay. That's the most important. You updates everything in your accounts. That's cash. That's including the cash. See, right? Just tap your card. Immediately insert the card. No one is here. Stop here. Sit. And the info. That's it. Print out. Okay. Okay guys. Almost going home now. It's a rainy day. It's weeknights. Weeks nights. You drink alcohol for now, it's good. For warmer. And sleep. Watch movie. Another muddy again for tomorrow. It's the most important. It's go home time because it's dark, almost 9 o'clock in the evening. It's 8:55 today. On time. Oh. Before slight rain, before I go out in the house, but now it's totally rain too much, okay, at night. guys, we almost 2 minutes or 1 minute before at hometown now. It's dark, less than an hour. It's dark and cold and wet. Okay guys, that's only I give to you my tips, my secret tips in my personal secret. Okay, if you have a big salary or busy or you have a lots of overtime, only I give to you the tips. Don't put in one account your money. Either you have a extra cash in your vehicle, in your house, or in your wallet, no problem. But if you have also a lots of accounts to separate your money after paying your billings or after paying the house, if not yours, or your loan house, your vehicle loan, the other amount, save it for your family just in case of emergency, just an important checkup in Regina or Wayborn, surgery. You have extra for the gas, the registration, and some maintenance in the vehicle, or some foods, or some bills. So that's only I tip to you. Even we are in outside vlogging, because you know me, as a content creator, what is in my mind, I will share it to you. Especially there's a tips in life. Okay guys, maybe it's almost 2 minutes before I go. So only my concern, please, just click the notification bell and subscribe for my YouTube channel. So more videos uploading, so you have more videos to share to you, the tips, especially in general. Okay? Like for example, my checking account. See, this is a secret. Not I never tell this except one of my member of the family. Okay, I never ever use one account in my bank, because sometimes you feeling rich, sometimes you feeling one-time millionaire. If, if you see your other checking account is lots of money, so you have a confident to eating somewhere, buying shopping, buying something, food, go to a restaurant or shopping, anything, or buy accessories for the vehicle or groceries. Especially, I'm not buying a little by little. I hate that if I'm going to groceries. So, if I like the food, I buy a lot. Even the groceries here, they know me. If I buy a meats in a general, either chicken, pork, or ribs, or fish, or vegetable, or eggs, or what's that? All the basic needs for a month grocery. Sometimes twice. So that's all I can say. Just earn and save your money. That's why I share to you all my tips how to save your money. Okay? I'm not here just to, just to say only they say content, nonsense content. You know what I mean? Unlike the other YouTuber, very famous, but nonsense content. So, as a beginners, I want to share to you, maybe hopefully, I'm one of the successful YouTubers, blogger. So, I'm consistent making more videos, story, his, story, and sharing tips, entertainment, what else? Other tips. So, see you guys next time. And it's 9:02 p.m. Canada, Saskatchewan time. So, see you guys by tomorrow. Just click the button, the notification bell, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope lots of videos to come. Okay, the whole year. So, good night, guys. See you again by tomorrow. It's raining time. Okay? Good night.